What's the meaning of Confucianism? Confucianism. Confucianism.
Confucianism. Confucianism. Confucianism is a philosophical and ethical system founded by Confucius, a Chinese philosopher and teacher, in the 5th century BCE. It emphasizes personal and governmental morality, the importance of education, social relationships based on mutual respect and hierarchical order, and the cultivation of virtue and moral character. Confucianism has had a profound impact on Chinese culture and society, shaping not only its values, but also its political and legal systems. Today, Confucianism continues to play an important role in Chinese life and has also spread to other parts of East Asia.